3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Hey guys, if you can't open the League of Legends client, I'm here to help you fix it. First, try launching the game from the installation file. Go to File Explorer, open the C drive, find the Riot Games folder, then the League of Legends folder, and right-click on League Client. Choose Run as Administrator. If that doesn't work, check your firewall settings. Press the Windows key, search for Windows Defender, and click on it. Then, select Allow NApp through Windows Defender's firewall. Click Change Settings, then allow another app and hit Browse. Find the League of Legends client and add it to the list, making sure both private and public options are checked. Make sure your computer is updated. Search for Settings, go to Windows Update and click Check for updates. Install any updates and restart your computer. Also, check your graphic drivers. Visit drivereasy.com, download DriverEasy, and use it to scan for outdated drivers. You can update them one by one for free. If the game still won't open, try deleting the config folder. Go to the C drive, find Riot Games, then League of Legends. Right-click on the config folder and delete it, along with the logs folder. And hopefully these steps will help you open the client. If not, consider reinstalling the app. If you need more help, comment below. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.